So this is that drop that happened on Friday. Like I said, it was a 10% drop. What's caused it? Who knows? Doesn't really matter, to be fair. The only thing we're concerned about is this long-term red support line. As we can see, we are still well clear of it. We'll need to get to about 7,300.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are looking at the silver chart. We're going to have a look at what it's done over the week and where it could be heading over the coming week. So if we look at the monthly chart, we can see, considering the big drop on Friday, which was I think 10%, we are still green on the month, which tells me as long as this long-term line that we've got here is not broken and it trades along it, it could still be heading back up. I do suspect that over the next few weeks, maybe a month, if it comes to this area here, so when I go across, it looks like we could be there sort of 1st of July. So if it trades around here and touches the long-term line, as long as it doesn't break below it, then we should hopefully be heading much higher on the chart of silver. Okay, so let's have a look at the daily. So this is that drop that happened on Friday. Like I said, it was a 10% drop. What's caused it? Who knows? Doesn't really matter, to be fair. The only thing we're concerned about is this long-term red support line. As we can see, we are still well clear of it. We'll need to get to about 7,300 or 73 to get anywhere near it, and then we need to try and break it to start worrying about what's potentially happening with the chart. If it does break below it, then obviously that long-term chart, that long-term line then becomes resistant. So let's just zoom in and let's just see what we can find. So as we can see, we are still within the long-term parallel channel, which is effectively a bull flag. So from starting from here, going up, and then we're just trading within this parallel channel and we're going sideways. What we can see last week Thursday, Wednesday, we did trade above the middle of the parallel channel. You can see on Monday had a strong run, broke above it, came in, tested it, and then we bounced back up, came back in on Thursday, sort of held it, and then Friday we had a big sell-off. So as I said, the 73, as long as it holds this long-term area, then we are still quite positive. However, if it breaks it, I know we've got a lot of support around the 63, 67, this zone here, we've got a lot of support. If it manages to break below that, then the next major support would be the 56. I don't really see it getting to 56, but who knows? With charts you can never really tell. You just have to watch and see what happens, where it goes, and then take it from there. So let's go into the 1 hour. So as you can see on the 1 hour, nothing changes. So all we need to do is keep an eye out for the 74 next week. Let's see if we can hold this area, and if it gets a bit lower, then we're looking at the 72. If that holds, then we could have a big bounce and up we go. And if you then look at that 72 area, if I put a line, you can see where it then comes in. So that's supporting area. So if I just take here, let's go across. You can see right there is where it meets. So that gives us an idea that we could, around this area here, we could have a bit of support if it comes into anywhere around this area here. Okay. Well, I remember, if you can, just like and subscribe and share. This will help the channel to grow. Let's try and get to 500 subscribers, and then we can go from there. So let's go into the 10 minutes. There we go. So we can see how the breakout initially on this triangle that we had. Broke out, went up, tested the middle of the parallel channel, the bigger parallel channel that we had. Bounced off it, and then last week it's coming. So this area is here. This is where we are now focused on. We're going to keep an eye on it and see what happens next. That will conclude the chart for silver for today. If you like what you are watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, follow, and leave a comment, and look out for our next video shortly. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.